An HTTP put request is used for updating an existing record. For this, a client has to send the unique ID of the record along with the entire updated record. Partial updates are not done with the put type of WebAPI. Partial updates are rather supported by an HTTP patch request. But this is not the topic of this tutorial. Today we shall focus on the HTTP put type of WebAPI. A put WebAPI is created with the map put function. The first argument is the route pattern for the WebAPI. The ID of the record is a part of the route parameter. If your table has a composite primary key, then the route pattern can be designed to include more segments so that all the keys do get included as a part of the route. The second argument is a function that receives the entire entity or object that has to be updated. The function also receives the ID of the object. This ID is the primary key as extracted from the route template. Passing the ID as a separate argument may seem redundant because primary key is in any case also a part of the object that is received as an argument. But this takes care of the possibility where the primary key itself may need an updation. So it is for that situation that ID is an additional parameter. Let us now implement a put type of WebAPI in the simple project that we are discussing for this chapter. Open the Solution Explorer and locate the program.cs file. Double-click and open this file. Scroll to the part that you are seeing here. As explained earlier, we have used the map put function. The route is doctor/ID and it contains the ID as a route parameter. Dependency injection provides us the DB context. First, the incoming ID is used to locate the current record from the database. After that, values are updated and the changes are saved to the database. Results.content is used to produce 204 response as per the requirements of the HTTP put request protocol. Finally, let us test the WebAPI with the Postman software. First, run the application to ensure that the local server starts running. Take note of the URL and next open the Postman software. Choose the request type as put. Type the URL containing an ID of the record to be updated. We have set the ID as 1. The body of the request has to be in JSON format, so type all the updated